Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Xiaomi 13T. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. And now click install. And now click open. Here you can click skip introduction, and now you can customize your home page, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And now you can make your Microsoft Edge your default browser, or you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And here you can decide if you want those notifications from this browser. And now your Microsoft Edge is set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.